Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide your friend list on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide your friend list on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And once you're on the menu, just scroll down a little until you find the settings and privacy option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after tapping it, go to settings. And here in settings, I want you to scroll down until you are on the audience and visibility section. So here in the audience and visibility section, you will be able to see this option, which is where you can hide your Facebook friend list, so just go and tap it. And after tapping it, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the who can see your friend list option right here. So to hide your friend list from others, you just need to set this to only me. And after setting it to only me, it's done. Congratulations, your Facebook friend list will now be hidden from others. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.